Hey, this is Brennan from Tekton Tools, here to show you how to use the Tekton 24-335 half-inch drive torque wrench. First, the torque wrench has a two-piece scale, with the main scale being on the handle body and the micrometer being on the knurled handle. To set the torque wrench, loosen the lock nut on the end of the torque wrench. This torque wrench has increments of 10 foot-pounds on the main scale and 1 foot-pound on the micrometer. If you would like to set the torque wrench to 95, you turn the knurled handle so that 0 is on the bottom of the 90, and then you turn it another 5 spaces so that it's set at 95. Lock the torque setting by tightening the lock nut, and then you're ready to go. It's important to use the torque wrench slowly and steady so you don't miss the torque setting you want. When the desired torque setting is reached, you will hear a click. Do not continue to move the torque wrench after you hear the click, or you can over-tighten the nut or bolt. When you are finished, make sure you store the torque wrench at the lowest setting to maintain accuracy.
Strength, meet precision. Finding a balance of intelligent design, quality craftsmanship, and affordability has always been a challenge in the tool world. Brownline Metalworks has created a torque wrench solution precise enough for racing teams and affordable enough for the weekend mechanic. Forged from chromium vanadium alloy to ensure strength and longevity, this wrench can handle your toughest jobs this year and 10 years from now. Using a double gear sensing system, Brownline's patented technology is inherently much less expensive to manufacture than competing technologies. Because of this, Brownline is able to offer the benefits of digital technology at a manual torque wrench price. The wrench's 8-bit electronics ensures accurate readings within 3.5% both clockwise and counterclockwise. It is simple to use and allows for both peak and track mode and displays the high torque value that was hit. The torque wrench features a half-inch drive reversible ratchet, suitable for most standard adjustment jobs. The technology inside Brownline's torque wrench is what really sets us apart. A large backlit digital display shows both target torque and current readout. An intuitive button design makes operating the torque wrench simple. The last thing you need when you're making a precise adjustment is to have to pull out an instruction manual. The LEDs and digital display provide visual feedback when operating the wrench. And in addition, a buzzer creates audible feedback when the target torque is reached. With the press of a button, easily switch between foot-pounds, inch-pounds, and newton-meters. And never worry about leaving it on. It automatically powers off when not in use for 2 minutes. Soft touch overmold provides a comfortable non-slip grip, so you can wrench all day long. Brownline's torque wrench is a great addition to any toolbox, garage, or mechanic shop.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.